to Dean Infotech YouTube channel. So today we are going to discuss about the NPSP non-profit Salesforce Cloud. So yes, running a non-profit is a constant juggling act, like between fundraising, managing volunteers and tracking impact. Finding the time and resources to make a difference can feel overwhelming. So imagine having all your donor information, volunteer schedule and program data in one place, so easily accessible and up to date. Introducing a Salesforce non-profit cloud, a powerful CRM built especially for the needs of non-profit. First, let's talk about what Salesforce non-profit cloud. So it is a comprehensive platform designed especially for non-profit organizations to manage their operations, track donations and engage with their community. So built on the powerful Salesforce platform, it's offer a tailored solution to help non-profit maximize their impact. Non-profit cloud goes behind a traditional CRM. It's centralized everything in one place. So be it's your donors, volunteer and program. So you can track a donation, analyze trend and personalize a communication for strong relationship. And second, you can manage volunteer recruitment like scheduling and recognition and program to keep your team engaged. And third, like you can monitor program effectiveness, track outcomes and demonstrate your impact to founder. Now let's talk about the benefits with the Salesforce non-profit cloud, so your organization can experience. So first is enhanced donor management to easily track and manage all your donor interactions in one place. Second is better fundraising. So streamline your fundraising efforts with customizable tools and reports. Marketing and engagement. You can connect with your supporters through personalized communications. And better insight. So gain actionable insight with the real-time analytics and dashboards where it gets better. And last is non-profit success pack. Like this is a package. So non-success pack is offer immediate access to the donors and people who will act to make non-profit business thrive. You have a full flexibility to personalize the constituent journey accordingly. Many top organizations trust Salesforce non-profit cloud to drive their mission forward. So names like Red Cross, UNICEF and Habitat for Humanity rely on the powerful platform to achieve their goals. Choose Infotech for Salesforce non-profit cloud implementation in your business as well. So as a certified Salesforce consultant partner, Dean Infotech has successfully helped more than 100 plus clients from diverse industries, and our sales proficiency has boosted deal closure rates and enhanced sales productivity by as provided by over 50 positive reviews on platform like AppExchange and Clutch.co, as well as multiple success stories featured on our website. So our non-profit cloud solution will let you tailor like the solution for your business needs. So schedule a free Salesforce consulting call with us and discover how Salesforce solution can be customized to address your specific needs.